Locked.
What do you think you're doing?
Stop now, before there's trouble!
No one goes in or out, unless there's a problem.
I hold the machines. That door opens, and I have my route to Ferris. Always work on the fly.
What's all this? Which one of you is responsible?
Wasn't us? This is getting serious, isn't it?
Who are you?
The sanitary inspector. This man is dead.
You're the dead man!
Run along, Elf.
I'll
I'll teach you how to beg for mercy.
Ferris, I'm coming.
Mr. Ferris has mandated that those who
Time
work
to
in
head
the
for higher
factory
ground.
over Easter will receive double rations. Those who don't have insurance while they're coming down. Chopper has been cut back to a half hour. Use the machines carefully. Any missing fingers, and it will be your job that goes missing. Mr. Ferris has made note of our declining production. He demands that all iron be produced right now.
Search me.
You're dead! You'll pay for that! Lost your bottle, boys!
Well, we seem to have made an unscheduled stop. Maybe next time I'll